After him, Sufyan Nadvi from Bhatkal. He will talk about weekly speeches, in how do they prepare the talk, how do they deliver the talk. Sufyan is now.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sufyan and I am from Bhatkal. I have done Alimiyat from Jamia Islamia Bhatkal and Fazila from Darul Uloom Baitul Uloom Lucknow. Presently I am enrolled in a personality development course here where I am enhancing my skills in spoken English, spoken Arabic and computer literacy. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Madarasa Baitul Uloom and Sunnah English Medium School for providing me with this incredible opportunity to stand before you. Respected teachers, honorable guests and all my friends, today I am here to present about the weekly speeches, benefits of weekly speeches. Allah says in the Quran, يا أيها الرسول بلغ ما أنزل إليك من ربك وإن لم تفعل فما بلغت رسالته والله يعصمك من الناس إن الله لا يهدي القوم الكافرين. In today's time, being a good speaker is really important, and many people want that skills. By speeches, we can know to the people, we can share our knowledge, we can connect with others. There are uncountable benefits are there. So within 5 to 6 minutes, I have to wrap up my speech. I don't have much time. So let's start. I have divided in two parts. The first one is knowledge skills, which is all connected to our input, what we studied, what we have inside. And the second one is communication skills, which is all connected to our output, what we communicate or what we talk to the people. I'll explain one by one. Now, I'm going to explain about the knowledge skills. The first point of knowledge skills is that gain knowledge. One of the key benefits of weekly speeches is that they help us to gain knowledge. For this purpose, we study several books, we visit many websites, and we expand our understanding and ideas. So, it is a wonderful opportunity to gain and grow. And the second one is enhancement of vocabulary. Learning and using more words to express yourself effectively. Weekly speeches enhance our vocabulary. If we prepare for this speech, we go across some new words. And actually, we prepare the talk by ourselves. No one can help us. So, we explore and incorporate new words for our wonderful preparation. And it makes our speech more engaging and impactful. The next one is research capabilities. We get able to find trustworthy information quickly. It helps us to get knowledgeable and correct information. Suppose if we have any doubt regarding to our topic or any subject, we can easily reach to the correct information by being researched. And the last point of knowledge skill is that enlightened brain. The progress of preparing and delivering speeches enhance memory skills. It definitely enhance our skills, enhance our brain. If we engage regularly in public speaking, then it stimulates our brain and improve our cognitive capabilities. So we are not just improving our communication skills, but our brains workouts. This is what I explained all about the knowledge skills. Now let's come in the communication skills. The first point of communication skills is output talent. It is the way to showcase and share what you have inside. Listen. If we gain knowledge, we study several books, we visit many websites, and we enlighten our brain, it's all our input. An input is beneficial for me, only one person is there. But the output is beneficial for everyone. If I have 10 ideas, I only know 10 ideas. If I share to the people, then everyone can get benefit from it. The second point, stage fear. Stage fear, it pushes us to grow, improve, and develop confidence in public. Obviously, it is a common concept that stage fear, anxiety, nervous, that one feels when speaking or performing in front of people. But at start, it manifests and trembling, breaking heartbeat. But that practice and experience removes the stage fear and gives the confidence. How more we face our fear, that more confidence we will gain in return. The last one is feedback and improvement. Feedback helps us to become a better speaker and remind us to identify areas of improvement. Getting feedback from the audience helps us to improve our communication skill and better a good speaker. We can easily understand which areas we are weak, which is areas we have to improve. And our Abdul Haq sir captures the videos and uploads in the YouTube. So it is beneficial for us to getting feedback from the viewers. I conclude my speech thanking you all listening me with a great patience. Thank you so much and have a great day.